Okay, I just don't want you to give up, Miss Williams. You done came so far. You done came so far. Do not give up. Do not give up. Okay, because we don't give up. We'll never make it to our destination if we just stop because it's too hard. It's not supposed to be easy. Okay, it's not supposed to be easy. And remember, working a 9 to 5, that's hard too. That was hard too. Okay, nobody liked that world either. That sucked too. You know. So every time I want to give up and I have my give up moments, like, oh, ain't nobody want to work and all this negative stuff, I start thinking about how crappy it was working for somebody else.
Yeah.
Okay. So I mean, it's easy to give up. It's easy. That's we always fall back to the give up. It's just easier. But giving up is gonna make your life even more harder. So you already got it. I feel like it's you got to get your frequency back up. Okay, because we operate better when we at a high frequency. And if your frequency drops down and it gets low and you're in low vibration, you're not going to want to interview people. That's why you feel like you don't want to do it. That's because your energy is down here. So you have to figure out ways to bring your vibration back up. You got to get to that level that you were at when you walked inside that building and you walked inside that school and you kept eyeing the school and eyeing the school like, man, I wonder. And then you finally hit them up or whatever. And they said, yeah, we need a walkthrough. You remember how that made you feel, how it uplifted your vibration. You got to get back there in that space. That's what you need. That's what you
Okay.
need right now. And just know that this is a part of it, y'all, man. This is the same thing that I go through. I'm just like y'all. I go through the same exact stuff, hiring bad people. Still to this day, I just had to fire the cleaning company that lied and said they had 25 years of experience. But when y'all see on September the 4th, when I drop these episodes, oh Lord Jesus, y'all gonna see that I go through the same stuff that y'all going through. Same thing. It's no different. That's how I know, and I can tell you, you need to not stop interviewing. You need to keep on interviewing people. Keep on because you have to build a team. It's the key is building a team of A players. Okay. So as soon as you know somebody sucks, get rid of them. You need A players. You need people that listen, that follow instructions, that can clean good, that don't complain and get on your nerves. That's what you need. Okay.
Okay.
It'll, it'll get better. It'll get better. But we gotta uplift your vibration. You gotta get it back up. That's all.
Okay.
All right, y'all. We're gonna wrap it up if y'all don't got no more questions now.
Can I just piggyback off of
Who's
what you
next?
said to her? This
Oh
is
yes,
Karen.
ma'am. Go ahead, Miss Karen.
I just want to like encourage you. First, I want to piggyback off the energy first because how you can know what energy is around you is, and I'm practicing this year. I learned this year. Um, like when people give you problems or they call you all the time and you start feeling that anxious feeling in your spirit and stuff, them people are the people you need not to have around you because they're draining. Them is the
Mm,
people make you want to quit.
mm,
You see their name come up, it just give you anxiety. Them is the
mm.
people you need to get away from you.
Yeah.
And then second, I want to say I've been in business next month, be 13 years. Every single time, I probably wanted to quit 100 times. And
Mm,
every single time I wanted to quit, God bless my business. Every
mm,
single time I felt I wanted to quit was a growth period. And he started removing the people who needed to be away from me and I went to another level. So know that every time you want to quit, like, and I use this and I remind myself with this, that every time the Lord's ready to bless, Satan starts his mess. So you just got to hold on and just keep pushing, because you ain't start that business and get that far for you to quit.
Right.
No.
Right.
This is part of it. Like she said, this is part of it. And you'll go through it every time you're getting ready to grow. You'll go through that and you'll be wanting to quit.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
And
yeah.
every time you want to quit, it'll bless your business. I just wanted to tell you that. Thanks for letting me share.
Thank you.
Yes. Miss Soul Education said the only thing she want to quit is her 9 to 5. I know that's right, girl. I know that is right. Yes. We got to encourage y'all. Send y'all prayers. Y'all send y'all love to Miss Williams. We got to uplift our sisters in this community, man. I mean, I'm living proof. If I can keep going, I know y'all can keep going, man. I know you can keep going. Okay. But this is a part of the business. You're gonna find people that suck. You know, they're not gonna come to work. They're gonna quit on you. You know, that's why I say if you need 2 people, you need to hire 3. Because one person gonna quit. They gonna quit. You know, after a while, you'll be numb to it. You'll be used to it like me. I'm like, okay, well.
Hey, you guys, did you miss the last cleaning business conference that we had in Jacksonville? Did you miss it? Oh my God. Don't worry, because we're doing it again. 2024, we're going to be in Vegas for the Clean Biz Network Conference, okay? Next conference in Vegas. I know you've seen the flyers. I know you're sitting back and you're going to wait to the last minute, but I advise you, don't wait to the last minute. Proper planning, okay, prevents poor performance, all right? So don't wait till the last minute. Don't wait till January and February and then start thinking about getting a hotel room. The best time, if you're really serious about getting out there, because we're going to be in Vegas, all right? And we got some heavy hitters in there that's going to be doing workshops. That's going to be definitely going to be food, going to be drinks, going to be a lot of inspiration, motivation. And most importantly, you get to be in the room and you get to network with all of your favorite cleaning business influencers online. Okay, they will be in the building. Not only that, but it's hosted by your girl. You know what I'm saying? So the last conference, man, I had a ball. I didn't even get to eat because I was up talking so much to everybody. Okay, but I was so fulfilled, and I can't wait to get out there in Vegas and have a ball and do it again. All right. Remember, your network is directly connected to your net worth. Okay, so get out there, network with people, stop procrastinating, and get your tickets today. All right, click the link in bio. I see y'all in Vegas. I see you in Vegas.